Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. I'm so happy that you guys are here. Today's video is an extreme cleaning motivation video. So if you are in the need for some motivation, you're definitely going to find it here because I have been trying to get everything ready for back to school. By the time this video goes up, we will have started school already. So I am just trying to get the house deep clean and ready just to get back into the routine of everything. Going back to school means I go back to work because I do work at a school. So I just want to make sure that I have all the areas of my house that I really need to pay attention to done before the chaos starts. The laundry room wasn't too bad, but I want to make sure that I maintain it clean since we're going to be coming in and out a lot more often now. So that just meant clearing out some shoes, wiping stuff down, and keeping this area just nice and neat. It's where we come in and out of every day. Okay, so I totally take these pillows and throw them in that guest room on the floor. You know, I'm gonna go in there later to clean it up, but don't you ever do that? You just take something from one room and you keep moving it to another room. I mean, I always find myself doing it with something and then I have to just go clean it up in another room. I can't be the only one, right? Let me know in the comments below.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
Normally, I like to start in the kitchen, and then once the kitchen is done, I get motivated to clean the rest of the house. But sometimes I change it up just because I get a little bit bored sometimes cleaning the kitchen first, so I'll just switch it up sometimes. So now I'm heading into the kitchen to clean up a lot of leftover messes from the night before, things that I just didn't clean up from dinner, which normally I try not to do, but you know, sometimes you just feel lazy and you want to sit on the couch, and guess what? That's quite alright, but you know, your mess will be waiting for you the next day, so that's what I'm taking care of now.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you.
So once I was done with the kitchen and everything, I went into the guest bathroom just to give it a really good scrub down. I normally don't have to clean this like a deep clean too often because it doesn't really get very dirty, but I wanted to get that taken care of.
It's a lifetime of emotion, put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far.
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go.
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, still know you'll meet me at home.
So then I went into my guest room. So normally I don't come in here very much. It is not really decorated. It's kind of just my catch-all room sometimes. So that's what happened here. If you guys remember from when I cleaned out my linen closet and I had thrown everything on the floor, I then forgot I left it in the bathroom. And I think we had company coming over, so I threw it in the guest room, but you know, because that's what you do. So I had to go ahead and get that taken care of because those were things that I wanted to donate. And this fan, since I don't come in here very much, I had not cleaned it. And I'm so sad because I couldn't find my little glove that I like to clean the fan with. I think it fell behind the washing machine, but I'm not quite sure. So I was sad to not be able to find it to clean that. So I went ahead and put some of the carpet powder down while my robot vacuum got started. So I just noticed this, but I had just cleaned that table, and look, I leave for a few minutes, come back, and there's already bowls and cups. You can never keep anything clean. Even with being at home over the summer, I have done a terrible job at trying to keep this floor clean, and I don't know if it's just because I let the robot vacuum do its thing and then I get lazy. I don't know what it is, but it's a lot of floor to have to mop, so I'm trying to do it once a week, but right now it's like once every 10, 11 days, so that means when work starts, it's going to be like once every 2 weeks. I know that sounds terrible, but I think that is just my reality.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna...
So I had not cleaned this sliding door in a long time, and I really wanted to just get it cleaned. And then, okay, so I saw a frog that was right there in the corner of the sliding door, and I totally freaked out. I had no idea it was there, and it ended up staying there for a few days, but I kept watching it because I thought it was going to jump on me. So you see my face, I'm like freaking out about it.
I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you want...
I think we are ready to get rid of this crib and to definitely get rid of that changing table. Little man is turning 3 and we're working on getting him potty trained. So, and he never sleeps in his crib. So, I mean, I should just sell it and get rid of it. It's just taking space up in the room.
I can help you out. 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 Look, if you don't wanna change.
You have probably seen me cleaning a lot of doors lately, and I used to wipe them down regularly, and I stopped doing that, and I noticed that they were getting really grimy. I like to keep my doors nice and clean, so I've started cleaning them and wiping them down anytime I get a chance. So here I've headed into my daughter's bathroom. It's actually my daughter and my son's bathroom, but again, you know, I haven't changed it out yet, and I figured I'd get this curtain washed, and then I thought about it. That was a pain in the butt to take down. Let me tell you, it took me forever, but I got it taken down. I did scrub the tub, but apparently I lost my footage for that. But I decided to keep the curtain down, and I'm going to give the bathroom a little makeover since it is meant for both of the kids. So maybe I will record that for you guys, just do a little makeover of their bathroom.
Talking to me, got me suffering in silence, can't breathe, you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my...
So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys were able to find some kind of motivation today to get up and get cleaning anything, whether it's a room, if you have a list to take care of, or, you know, if you're being lazy and you just want to get one thing cleaned up, get up, get it done, and I hope this gave you the motivation that you needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red subscribe button because I would love to have you be a part of my community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.